All right. Part 2 of walking in nature. Figure after the winter we've all had, some blue skies, some ocean, some green, might help all of us. As you can see, I'm wearing the mask. I said it in the previous video. There's tons of people walking around, and I want to make sure everybody feels safe. So if I was just by myself, then you wouldn't have to worry about it. But as you can hear, there's cars going by, there's people walking around. So I wear it for everybody's safety and security feelings. So, but let's get to the rest of this walk, because I know you want to see some more of the ocean, the blue skies, and hear the nature sounds, and not just me. Love you guys. And remember, drink some water, or maybe try something new. I've been drinking this aloe vine water, mango. It's really yummy. And the aloe vera juice stuff is really good for your system. So look into it, think about it, find ways to work on healing and getting healthy for you so you can enjoy the sunshine without stressing or feeling sick, all right? Love you guys, and enjoy the walk with me again. Time for blue skies, sunshine, ocean waves, and nature sounds. I'll come back here again late spring, early summer, and we'll see how everything's changed and gotten even more green. But it's my way of saying hello and welcome spring. You're coming soon. If you're going walking, guys, remember poison ivy's about. There's still going to be ticks and stuff, so take care of yourself. And we're back to the place I showed in part 1, where we started that little walk. See? There's that little sitting area at the nature preserve at Cedar Beach on Long Island. Do yourself a favor. Look on your own county websites. They have lists of parks. And go discover a new park near you today. Whether it's a nature trail or at a beach, find one you've never been to and give it a try. Just make sure that you are taking precautions. Make sure you let somebody know where you're going to be. You know, all those things to do for your own safety value, you know? Be safe, but discover ways to enjoy your life and day. And look, here's the rock I was talking about in video 1. So if you see this, may luck come to you too. And thank you to whoever made it. Here at Cedar Beach, there's a community on Long Island that does different images and stuff with rocks. Sorry, it's very windy now. And although it seems silly, it really is kind of fun when you discover all sorts of rocks that people have made and left hidden around the area. So if I see another one, I'm going to show you guys, but how you doing? Have a nice day. Thank you. See, that's why I wear a mask. Because there's always people. And thank you for coming on this walk with me. It's a small way where we could share time together. Ooh, look at the pine cone. Not touching it. Sorry if my breathing's a little loud. Getting used to walking again. So now that spring has started, technically in my mind, what's one thing you can do for you that it'll help you feel better about you. For me, it really is walking outdoors in the sunshine. I mean, a path like this, just a little bit of green starting, I'm still doing good, you know? Drinking things like this makes my body feel good and it tastes good. At the end of this trail is the ocean, which, knowing that, makes it worth getting to the end. So you can start seeing the water. If you come here, I do advise not going on this sand and trying to cross over. Last time I came here, I even stayed to the secluded where you're supposed to walk areas, and I wound up getting a tick on my sock, which is why I always say, take precautions. Wear high socks. I actually wear these crocheted ankle covers just for when I go walking and stuff, so that way I can just take those off and there's anything on them. Safer and different, Whew. A little out of breath. And it's windy, so. See, now you're starting to get more of an ocean view. Wait until we get to the end. It's real nice. The nice thing about these benches, all the little plaques are donated to people who have passed on. So if you see flowers on them and stuff like that, it means somebody came to visit. Oh, that one's pretty. More of an ocean view. The bird. So like I was saying, have you tried taking D3 yet? What is that, you say? It is actually the same chemical component as sunlight in a certain aspect. And it's been proven to heal and help your immune system and kill viruses and all sorts of stuff faster and better than vitamin C. But vitamin C also does a lot of great stuff. That's why I say please try to take both. Test it out. Take both for a little bit. See how much you feel better or not in a month or two. I know for me, I take vitamin D3, vitamin C, and I also take turmeric, 16 to 2,000 milligrams a day, because at 2,000 milligrams, turmeric has been proven to even kill cancer cells and all sorts of heavy-duty viruses and things like that. Don't believe me? Do your own research. But, knock on wood, I have been doing very, very well, and I have chronic autoimmune issues, and they have gotten so much better just with the combination of those three items. So, something to think about for you. Each person to their own. Your body, your choice, always, in my opinion. But the more you know, the more you can investigate on your own and make better and more informed decisions for yourself. Which is the only reason I ever bring stuff up, because I care about you guys. And if something helps me, it might help you. We're all here trying to help each other down the road, you know what I mean? That's the way it should be, so. Look how beautiful it is out. Hello. Hello. Don't worry, the view gets even better soon. Beautiful dog. Oh, you're gorgeous. Have a lovely day. A couple had a beautiful German Shepherd. I think they were training for security stuff because they have all the items on it being like don't touch, so. But it's really cool. I love seeing people with their animals. Beautiful day, isn't it? A little windy. Whew. Okay. We're almost there, guys. It's worth it. Wait, you'll see. Whew. The end of this trail is Cedar West at Cedar Beach, Long Island, New York. You can even go even further. You have to keep walking, but there's a pier all the way down. We're going to stop here so you can see the view that I always have to stop at, because at this point my heart is racing and my asthma is triggered slightly. Totally worth it though. Look at that. Tell me that's not worth it. Whew, I'm going to sit down on this big log. This is always where I sit to make my heart stop doing the cha-cha out of my chest. Still got that whole walk back. But thanks for joining me on the walk. I'm going to take a few minutes and just enjoy the sounds and the view. Feel free to watch this as often as you want, and please make sure you drink some water and think about taking some of those vitamins, looking into that stuff. Stay safe, guys. Alright, guys. That's the walk I do sometimes. Sometimes it's not the greatest sounds, because there is one of those, like they work on the yachts and boats in the background on the other side. But it's beautiful. So thanks for joining me. Love you guys. Stay safe. Crazy hair.